I was a ranch hand before. I used to work in the ranch. You know, when I turned 18, you know, I wanted a real job.
I was in West Texas, in the pipeline in West Texas. I was gone all the time, so this was a good place to be home. Good job to have, make good money. I'm home every night, so that's why I came here.
My brother taught me how to weld, and then I started learning how to build small trailers. I've been doing it for 3 years, you know, I love it.
I've been building since I was a kid. My grandpa taught me how to weld when I was young. It's something natural to me. I feel like I'm really good at. I've just been doing it my whole life.
It's different every day. You're not the same thing every day. You know, that's what I like about it. You don't get bored of it. With 2-car, you start from the frame, from a 3x8, and underneath is a 2x3. You got cross members at 3x8 too, at every 8 foot.
When we build it, make sure our welds are on point, so when it's painted, there's no blemishes or anything like that.
He keeps me in line and everything. Good guy, good partner.
From day one, we just clicked. He's young, so he can move fast. He can pick up heavy things. I mean, he's quick. He's a good learner, quick learner.
It's rewarding when you take pride in my work.
Seeing a trailer roll out, building another one.